welcome back to Tammy Talks About. So yeah, I am on a roll today. This is my third video for the day, but I just got this update and I want to keep you up on everything as well. So before we get into it, you know the drill by now. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And of course, as always, as Tug always says, feed that pesky algorithm and share this video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, I'm up to 606 subscribers. So I'm just a very short way away from being monetized, and that is so amazing. This channel, as I have started letting everyone know, is our channel. This is for all of us. We're on a journey that is taking us to Virginia coming next April, and who knows what's coming down the line. But I'd love for you to join us on this journey, and if you'd like, please consider subscribing. So let's get into this. And first of all, thank you to my good friend Mary Sue, who does all the work of getting all this information from Twitter for me and sending it to me so that I don't have to keep up with Twitter. And I just love her to death. Thank you, Mary Sue. Mwah. And as always, a huge thank you to the real Laura B. You know, she spends a lot of time and a lot of her own money getting all this information so that we all know what's going on. So thank you, Laura B. Okay, so update. Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard in California. Depp has requested an informal discovery conference, and she only has page 1 as all that's been posted, for assistance from the judge to get long-delayed communication documents from Whitney Enriquez. And it says in parentheses, see subpoena document request issued 2/22/2021. And as we said, this is an informal discovery conference. And in the paperwork, it says to briefly describe the nature of the discovery dispute, including the facts and legal arguments at issue. So let's see what they say. In February of this year, plaintiff John C. Depp, Mr. Depp, issued a document subpoena to defendant Amber Laura Heard's, Ms. Heard's sister, Whitney Enriquez, Ms. Enriquez. Ms. Enriquez, who is represented by Ms. Heard's counsel, has been identified as a key witness in this action by Ms. Heard and has previously testified on Ms. Heard's behalf in connection with Ms. Heard's claims of abuse that are the subject, at least in part, of Mr. Depp's pending claim for defamation in Virginia. Ms. Enriquez's document production has been repeatedly delayed. In addition, the parties appear to have reached impasse with respect to the request by Mr. Depp that Ms. Enriquez produce communications regarding 2 related litigations, Mr. Depp's and Ms. Heard's divorce, and that'll be referred to as the divorce action, and certain litigation in the United Kingdom, that'll be referred to as the UK action, against a tabloid that involved allegations of abuse by Ms. Heard, in which Ms. Enriquez testified on Ms. Heard's behalf. Mr. Depp seeks documents related to these 2 litigations on the following topics: Ms. Heard's testimony in the divorce action and the UK action, Ms. Enriquez's testimony in the divorce action and the UK action, Ms. Heard's allegations of abuse against Mr. Depp's allegations of abuse against Ms. Heard, Ms. Heard's public disclosures of claims of abuse against Mr. Depp, and Ms. Heard's widely publicized claim that she was donating the entirety of her divorce settlement to charity. Mr. Depp respectfully submits that the categories of documents identified above are all directly relevant to the issues in this action and are appropriately sought from a party-affiliated witnesses that has previously testified in Ms. Heard's favor and is anticipated to testify on Ms. Heard's behalf again at trial in this action. Mr. Depp has engaged in extensive efforts to resolve this dispute informally without success, and therefore anticipates bringing in an appropriate petition to compel. Boy, they're having to do a lot of compelling in this, aren't they? And then she has this is under Judge Bowick, and appearances for plaintiff, no appearances for defendant, no appearances. Natures of proceedings, this is a court order. At the request of counsel and pursuant to Code of Civil Procedure section, blah, 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 an informal discovery conference is scheduled for 08/30/21 at 10 a.m. in Department 19 at Stanley Moss Courthouse. Trial counsel or counsel with decision-making authority must participate. The parties must fully meet and confer regarding all issues prior to the conference. The deadline for filing a motion related to any discovery device listed in the request for the conference shall be told for the period of time between the date the order is issued and the date of the conference. If any other issues arise, the parties may submit a request for a conference to be heard on August 30th, 21. Moving party to give notice, certificate of mailing is attached. So basically they have to let them know that, hey, this is what we're doing. It's scheduled for the 30th. And so, I mean, Johnny's team, they're having to do a lot. It's like pulling teeth to get these people to answer anything other than lies. Anyway, and someone asked Real Laura B about that they thought that she had her deposition back several months ago, and she said, and about the documents for the deposition, and she answered they would want the documents for deposition, so they're going to want this before they depose her. So negotiating on all of it. And she says that's why I stopped posting deposition dates. They can be changed and rescheduled for so many reasons. And apparently they decided to hold off on deposing Whitney, or either Whitney, it changed for whatever reason, but she was supposed to have already produced these documents a long time ago. And that's been an issue in this entire case, is getting any of them to produce anything. And as I said, outside of lies, you get nothing. And which, I know that everybody tries to fight a court case to win, but I don't know, there's just something really sleazy about lying about everything, or just flat out not doing what's been asked of you. I mean, it's just, look at who we're dealing with. And I just thought I'd bring that update to you. I know that, you're probably getting tired of seeing my face today. So unless something major happens, I probably won't be doing any more videos today. It is nice to have the day off from my IRL stuff. So I had some time and I thought we could spend it together. And so here we are. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you did. I'm also having issues with fibromyalgia today. It can cause what's called brain fog, and that's what's happening with me today. So forgive me for stumbling over my words, for forgetting words, and I think I might need to make clear from the last video, especially when it comes to the politics mess that we were talking about. I try to avoid politics as much as possible. My main focus in that video was for Roberta Kaplan, who told so many lies on Johnny. So I hope that was understood. Like I said, I'm having brain fog issues today. So, forgive me if it wasn't. But anyway, until next time, be blessed.